Hello guys, it's me Elfnet Designs, and today I have some more LED tape, some RGB with I call this the deluxe model, the remote control. It's got programmable DIY RGB stuff. Your normal remote, I think, is just that, and the little small remotes in there for this type of tape, the 30, I forgot what, until 26 or something. Well, anyway, I originally ordered the tape in this sack. Still got the heat compound everywhere. This is 50/50. This is what I use accent lighting and computer builds, because buying Hue tape is just ungodly too expensive, and this will plug right in on, some of the boards have a header that allows you to control RGB tape, and that's the type of plug. It plug right into it. On either side, mind you. Now, oh, wait a minute. Now, originally I thought they wound this on backwards, but apparently they didn't. I think the deal... Anyway, the other roll of tape, this roll of tape here, is the other type, where one is red, one is green, one is blue. I forgot the number. It's like 3026 or 2630 or something like that. These are 50/50, where one chip is RGB, and there they are. They're in there. This is the waterproof model. It's got the silicone rubber on it. I guess this would be good like around a pool or your kitchen maybe, but I don't know why you would want RGB LED strips in your kitchen. Warm white or cold white would seem more logical. In your bath or whatever, shower maybe, you know, for whatever reason. I don't know why. But I ordered the tape and I forgot to order the controller, so this has been on hold for about a week. I had to order a controller, and I went on and ordered I think this is a 6 amp output RGB controller with an IR, and it came with this remote, which I already have a remote. I've got two other remotes. And this controller will drive this cheaper tape, of course, and it will also drive this. And I like 50/50 because I can get a better color spread on 50/50 than I can with that. So I guess you want to see it work. Well, let's connect it and make sure we got it connected right. Okay, white is common. The little arrow goes to the white pin, like so. That's that. And I'm going to try to unroll some of this off so you can see it. Well, you'll be able to see it. I mean, it's pretty intense. Set this on there. Put a battery on it, why not? Just set this little battery on there, and I still feel like I have a cold. Sorry, I'm sneezing and coughing. Plug it in. It's done its little post, and then we'll take and turn it on. Now I have it set to yellow, of course. Let me turn off the overhead light. Unplug the overhead light. There we go. That's yellow. That's orange. More orange and darker orange, and red, green, blue, pink, violet, purple, light blue, baby blue, or cyan, or whatever. I mean, this is white. We can make it go dim. Can I go dimmer? Go bright. It's got cycles through all the functions and fades. Flash, fade. And you can make these things faster and slower by hitting the quick or slow. You know, slow the fade way down low. Jump. Jump forward, jump backwards. Quick, slow, auto. Yeah, that's the 50/50. Yeah, probably can't see a fucking plastic sack, but they come in a static sack, and I think I paid about $11 for the roll. It's about 5 meters. This is what they label it in, and this is what I'm putting in a computer, a next computer build that you know, I don't see giving Hugh $100 for a LED strip and controller when I can do it this way. It works just as good, I guess. Of course, I think the motherboard I'm going with is going to have the header. Hang on, can't see shit, can you? The next board that we're going to use, I think it was an ASRock board. Maybe I can't remember. Look it up. I don't have the computer there, but it's got a header I can plug this straight into, and it can drive it, and it's got a software interface that will allow me to control, you know, everything. And they're trying to tell me that there's a special cable. Well, the special cable, all it is it's got a shunt in it. Yeah. So you need this special cable. I already know the little gimmick, and I can build that special cable and save myself God only knows how much money. You know, I'm not an electronics engineer for nothing, guys. But yeah, this is the 50/50 LED tape with a remote controller. If you want to use it in your house, and you know, you got to make sure that this little piece here is going to be visible from wherever you're hiding the rest of this out of sight. So, you know, drill a hole in the wood or the wall and have that poking through somewhere in a light fixture or something. And you got to remember to aim the remote control at it, or generally at it, for it to actually work. Like I said, this box, this tape here came with a little heat shrunk tubing filled controller with a little remote, or actually it was a big remote like this. And this tape works fine, but I didn't like the separation on it. It was just a little weird. Also, cheaper quality. The header is come loose. But yours is on, I guess. I will be using this tape in single color builds later, like for blue, green, or red. I don't really like going off onto other colors, or unless someone just really wants it. I guess it's there for a cheaper budget accent build, LED accent build in a computer. It'll be there, cheaper stuff. And I do have the controller for that, the little one, and the remote, of course. And but for the norm, I'll be going with this type, the 50/50. This is waterproof, of course. Well, it says 60 meters, but that's not 60 meters rolled up on there. It's only 5. Anyway, I'm going to leave this video. It's going on about 10 minutes now. And if you like it, leave a thumbs up. If not, whatever. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video.